Have you tried making a payment today and it just failed or stayed processing? You're not alone. Payment systems go down more often than we realize, but in most cases, you can fix the problem or work around it quickly. In this video, I'll explain why payments fail, what you should do immediately, and the best backup solutions. Before retrying again and again, pause. Multiple attempts can charge you twice. Instead, do this. Check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Refresh or restart the app. Look for alerts inside the payment app or bank app. Verify details carefully: CVV, OTP, expiry date, UPI ID, etc. Wait 5 minutes if the system looks slow. If money is debited but not credited, don't worry. In most cases, it is automatically reversed within a short time. Now let's dig deeper. Make sure your card isn't blocked or expired. Check daily transaction limits. Banks often cap payments. Ensure your phone's date and time are correct. Update the payment app and phone software. Clear cache or reinstall the app if it keeps crashing. Also read the error message. Insufficient balance, limit exceeded, or verification failed each point to different fixes. If the main system is down, switch methods instead of waiting. Another card or bank. Digital wallets like Google Pay, PayPal, Apple Pay, direct bank transfer, cash, if available, crypto, only where legally accepted and appropriate. Having at least 2 payment options can save you in emergencies. Reach out to support if money is debited but not received after several hours, transactions fail repeatedly across different apps, you see unusual account activity. Take screenshots, note the time, and keep your transaction ID ready. Clear information helps support resolve issues much faster. A few smart habits reduce headaches. Keep apps and phones updated, enable transaction alerts, avoid public Wi-Fi for payments, set backup payment options, choose reliable providers with better uptime records. Being proactive means fewer failed payments. Want to know whether the issue is only on your side? Check sites like Down Detector, bank status pages, or payment gateway dashboards. They show live outages, so you'll instantly know whether to wait or switch methods. Payment systems going down can be stressful, but with the right steps, you can stay calm, protect your money, and keep transactions moving. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe. And for more detailed guides and fixes, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.